Hey Talia, you want to make some decorations for Issa's birthday party today?
Sure.
Okay, well, I was thinking we could make some fans, but we could make some decorations that start off as fans, but then they turn into these really funky circles. You want to hold that one up? And you can make them in all different sizes. All you're going to need is a piece of paper, a pair of scissors, and a glue gun. So Talia, a parent at my school taught me how to do this, and I thought it was really cool because we could make so many different things out of this basic structure. So let's get started. First of all, I think we've all, if we've been through kindergarten and first grade, I'm sure we all learned how to make a fan. So that's pretty easy. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna start by taking your paper. Our paper is not even, but we're gonna try to get the paper and fold it in half as best you can. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is just trim it on the sides. Really, it's much easier for you guys to use copy paper. It's just, I really don't feel like getting up and getting copy paper because I have this craft paper. Let me help you with yours. So what you're gonna do next is you're gonna take one side and fold that in half as well. These are gonna be your guidelines for your fan, or your, yeah, it really is a fan to begin with, and then we can make other things. Okay, then you're gonna flip it, and you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Hey Talia, what do you think we're gonna do next?
Fold here? No.
Not yet, or else it will be a kind of a sad looking fan. You're actually gonna fold, yes, so you're gonna fold this in half again, right? Good job, Talia. Okay, and then we're gonna flip it, and then what are we gonna do next?
Fold in half.
Fold in half, very good. Okay, then you're gonna open it like this. Clearly it's not even, so let's try to make it even. So what we're gonna do is we're going to take this part where we fold it, and then we're just gonna try to fold it evenly back and forth like this. Well, that one. The more accurate you are, the better your fan's gonna look. So it should look like this, but what we're gonna do next is then fold it in half, like as close as possible, because we're gonna glue it together. You see? And we're actually gonna glue just one side together. So Talia, can you grab me the glue gun and we'll show off our gluing skills. Step is to take your hot glue gun, and please have your parents with you. I still have so many scars from hot glue guns, and it really does hurt. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna make a little line of the glue gun, and then I'm gonna fold it back in half like that, carefully. All right, let's do that to yours, Talia, okay? Oh, I think we should go one more time with Talia's. You see, hers is a little bit bigger. If you notice, mine is maybe about 1/2 of an inch. Hers is 1 inch. So I'm gonna go one more time with hers. Okay, so we're going to repeat the same thing with Talia's. We're going to fold it in half as best as we can. Like this. And then we're going to glue one side. Whoop. I want to make sure that they're even. Like that. It's it's like a miniature fan. Okay, so now the next step, you're gonna notice that part of it might not be glued well. Oops. But what we'll do is we'll glue one side together, right? So we'll glue this side. Let's take this one. And we'll take the glue gun again. Oops. And glue it together. I can't see, I don't have my glasses on today, people. Really need my glasses. So this was another idea that we had too, using that same idea of folding paper. We decided to make the little mobile. I had this button and wire strand that I was like, well, it kind of looks like it needs something. So we started to glue gun the little buttons onto our little pieces of paper, folded paper. What I did for the top part is we just simply took a branch from outside and wrapped it with this brightly colored yarn. I think it's fun. I think Issa will really like it. So I'd love to see yours completed, maybe decorated, the paper decorated, and please send it in so I can see what it looks like. Mine is very plain. I'd love to see a collection of different designs. All you're gonna need, again, is the paper, scissors, glue gun, and a parent. And remember, always think outside the box, subscribe and like.